Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 active, and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the system settings. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the crown button, like this, then press it again to open the menu. Here, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, like this, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down, and here tap on System and Updates. Then scroll down and select the option called Reset. Right here, let's scroll down and tap on the Reset Watch button. And here we can check the bugs too. Also delete the eSIM data and configuration by checking these bugs like this, then tapping OK. Like that. And once you're done, simply tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And when you see this on the screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.